The goal of boosting is to improve the accuracy of a single weak learner by iteratively reweighting the training data and adjusting the weights of the weak learners based on the performance of the previous iterations. Here's how the algorithm works. Train a weak learner on the original training data. Assign weights to each training data point. Train another weak learner on the same data, but with weights adjusted to give more emphasis to the misclassified points from the previous learner. Repeat step 3 until a desired level of accuracy is achieved or a maximum number of iterations is reached. Combine the outputs of all the weak learners into a final prediction. Boosting algorithms typically use decision trees as weak learners, and there are several popular variations of boosting, including ADA boost, gradient boosting, and XGBoost. Boosting has several advantages over single models. First, it can improve the accuracy of weak learners by combining their outputs. Second, it can handle high-dimensional datasets and can detect interactions between features. Third, it can provide an estimate of feature importance. Boosting has been successfully applied to a wide range of problems, including image classification, natural language processing, and fraud detection. However, it can be sensitive to noisy data and outliers, and can suffer from overfitting if the number of iterations is too high. For more knowledge, like, share and subscribe. A.S. Machine Learning Hub.